for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, CD player, compass, security system, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.